How you doing, YouTube family? Man, Ant-Man here back with another video. Ant-Man here back with another video. And I wanted to speak with you briefly this morning, okay, just to give you a little nugget real quick. As you read thus, when you pay attention to the screen, it says, we learned early on that if we help enough people, the money will come. We learned early on that if we help enough people, the money will come. So what I want you to pay attention to is that we learned early on. You see, a lot of companies, when they first start, they want to make money, right? And then when they notice that maybe the businesses that they're contacting or maybe the marketing that they're utilizing isn't effective, they start getting discouraged. And their mindset is on money, right? Because, of course, we all need money, right? So when you think about it, they're like, you know, what are we going to do, okay? The fact that they don't have the money, they start getting discouraged. The next thing you know, they start thinking about getting a loan. And next thing you know, when they're not approved, they're like, I don't know what to do. We're probably going to have to sell the business or close down because we're not having any money. The thing is this. In your mind, knowing that you're passionate about your business or the product or service or internet marketing services or web development or whatever it is that you're doing, okay, you need to love what you do, number one. Also, tied into loving what you do, okay, you need to know early on that you know what you have is going to help somebody, okay? If you set your mindset up with, oh, I'm going to make this type of money with this and all this money with that and money, you're not going to make money. I understand. Hold on a minute. I understand about being money motivated. I completely understand that because I'm money motivated. All right. When I see an opportunity that I know I can make money with and I'm like, you know what? This is perfect. This is what I'm going to do. I get that. But if your reason for the call, if your reason for the video, if your reason for marketing, right, however you're advertising your opportunity, if your reason is to just make money, then you're not going to make money, all right? Or you're going to make a whole lot less money. A lot of people can tell over a phone call. A lot of people can tell over a video chat based off of body language and eye contact and how enthusiastic you are about something. Somebody can tell if you're trying to just make money off of them, if you're just trying to sell them, okay, try to make something sound good so then they can pull out their credit card, okay? Some people can do that. A lot of people can't, obviously. But if your reason for calling a business or getting in contact with someone or marketing or whatnot, if your reason for doing that is not to help them, get them in a better position to provide you know, whatever it is that you're offering, if your reason for helping them is to just put money in your pocket, then it's not going to work for you. It's not. 100%, you need to know that I'm calling you because of this, that, and the third, and this, that, and the third. I'm trying to help you grow your business. I'm trying to help you grow your financial situation. I'm trying to have you see yourself differently. I understand that you was dealing with a lot of problems coming in 2018. You've dealt with a lot of crap in 2017. I'm here to educate you. I'm here to encourage you. I'm here to motivate you. I'm here to honor you. I'm here because I'm giving you and showing you respect. I understand what you've been through. I'm here to help you because I learned early on that providing a solution to the problem, giving value is what's helping people, whether somebody gives me money or not. And in return, I've had people call me and text me and definitely email me and ask me, hey, I will pay you to help me so I can have you train my children. There was a gentleman that saw a YouTube video and I gave him value, okay, in that video. He contacted me. He wanted me to coach his children, a 13-year-old, 15-year-old, 18-year-old, and 20-year-old sons. Okay, he was hearing impaired and he wanted me to train them. If I have not ever gave great value in that specific video, then I would not have been contacted. I was very honored that somebody wanted to pay me a lot of money actually to do so. So it's not about, if I would have put in my mindset, oh, I'm trying to make money off of this video, then I would have never gotten that response that I have gotten from that gentleman. People will pay you. The money will come afterwards, okay? It's gonna come afterwards. But if people feel as though you're just trying to hustle them, you're just trying to like persuade them, you know, with these persuasive tactics, sales, you know, lineology or whatever, they're gonna feel uncomfortable. They're gonna be like, I don't understand this. I'm okay. I'm okay. But if they feel as though that you are really trying to help them, then they're definitely going to understand, and they're going to take the plunge and say, you know what, I definitely do need what it is that you have. I can tell that you really are concerned for me and my business. You're not just trying to make a profit. I worked with companies, and they said that to me. They said, Anthony, I remember a gentleman, he had a construction business, and this was a while ago, but I remember this guy to this day. He said, Anthony, I can tell that you're very genuine, you're very humble, and you really are passionate about what it is you're offering. Exactly what you're offering is really what I need. I get calls every day about people that sell things that are similar, but it's just something about the way that you sound. You really sound genuine, and I'm really honored. You know, he said, not honored, but he said, I'm really excited that you called me, and I really do. I'm very curious about what it is that you have. I would love to see it, and I would love to, you know, speak with you later on about it. It took a couple of days, but I ended up, he ended up becoming a client with that company that I was with. Now, if I would have called him to just say, you know, hey, this is what we do, this is how much it is per month, or this is what the setup fee is, or whatever, he would have hung up the phone, thank you, but I'm okay. But when I really was explaining to him and offering him a solution, explaining to him that I really do care about his business, I went on his site already, and I was looking at some things that can be changed, and yada yada yada. I'm just opening up a book to this man. I really spent my time with him, giving him value, giving him a solution to his problem, and he felt that through the phone, and I was really excited that he did, and he became a client. So guys, when you look at the screen again, it says, we learned early on that if we help enough people, the money will come. Okay, for example, I've been posting a lot of videos on YouTube, and there's been videos that I didn't even remember posting, you know, last year in like July, and somebody would contact me about that video, you know, and other videos that I posted that went in that got, you know, over 1,000 views. People start contacting me about what is going on in these videos, and I start to build a rapport and wonderful long-lasting relationships with these people, and eventually they will pay me for either coaching, they'll pay me for the services that I'm talking about, they'll pay me for knowledge, coaching calls. It's crazy how where the money comes from, because sometimes I wasn't even asking to be a business coach or a life coach or anything like that, success coach, whatever it is you want to call them, but people are starting to notice me as that person that gives great advice, that person that gives relationship advice, that person that can give you great traffic generation advice, life, you know, advice. You know, people are looking at me like that, and I'm 100% honored that people do feel as though that I'm somebody that can speak with them and teach them something and help them grow, because people feel that I care about them. One more thing I'm gonna say, and I'm gonna end this video. There was a woman that was based out in Canada, and she was watching my videos for about 6 months, and she said, Anthony, every last video that I've watched from you, you've been so caring and respectful. A lot of people seem to be, you know, trying to push you on to their opportunity and whatnot, and that's not what I do. I speak genuinely, and I'm really honored to be speaking with you right now. She said she's not familiar with the internet marketing space, and you know, we went on to talking. Ultimately, she ended up signing up, and she went on to make, it was like $1,200 in her first 2 weeks. So she was really excited about that. Most money she's ever made online, and we was just talking and talking and talking. We really we built a phenomenal relationship, and she ended up joining another business, and she's flourishing. Like, she's making a lot of money. And she said, Anthony, if it wasn't for your daily calls, if it wasn't for you, you know, coaching me and telling me to keep on moving forward and to not look behind me but always keep my head forward, then I would have never had the courage to invest into that other opportunity. Now she's making like $5,000, you know, $5,000 or $3,000, something like that. She said every week or every other week, and her husband is just he's in love with it. So to have stories like that to tell, okay, to build phenomenal relationships with people like that, to help somebody, okay, and then them eventually them making the decision to pull out their credit card. I don't force nobody to sign up with me with anything. I don't force nobody to pay me. I don't force nobody to do anything. They always offer to pay me. And I'm 100% honored by that, guys. So I want to teach you something. I want to give you value in this video. It's not always about pushing somebody to close all the time, guys. First, it's about helping them, okay? You need to be in a position to help somebody, and if what you have can help somebody, read this with me. We learned early on that if we help enough people, the money will come. Guys, the money will come. Be patient. Be patient. I'm sure what you have is phenomenal. What you have is definitely what maybe a person may need, okay, or maybe a business may need. Trust me. You stick with this. You stick with this. You help enough people, that money gonna come, all right? I'm here to give you enough value. I hope that I encouraged you. I hope that I motivated you. If you like this video, please, guys, I would love if you guys support me. I'm trying to get up to at least 200 subscribers. If you guys can support me and subscribe, like, and comment below. And if you can share this to your social media accounts. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for taking the time out to watch this video. Take care. And as always, God bless. See you in the next video.